They get offers to go to
Here we go. Let's see what's going on. Hi there. This is Bruce. That's Pam. And we're Wild for Wildlife here at Collier Nature Preserve in Ohio. Here we are at the Howard Collier State National Preserve in Ohio, and this is Bruce and Pam, Wild for Wildlife. We're taking the Collier State Nature Preserve trail. It looks pretty cool back here. Looks like woodpecker heaven, hopefully. We'll see what we can find. Pam with her bug spray. Say hi, Pam.
Hi, guys.
Pretty area. Well, ready to take a hike on a trail? Let's go. They did some work building this trail here.
Yeah, no doubt.
Gorgeous area. We'll have to return here in fall, that's for sure.
See what the sign says.
We're going to be taking the Collier Loop, then we'll be taking the bridge trail here, but this is the Collier State Nature Preserve, right by Timothy Creek area, just a little like northwest of Cary, Ohio. This is well worth the trip. This is kind of interesting. A lot of people have left their marks.
Yeah. You coming? This is just unbelievable.
Who says Ohio's not beautiful? They haven't been here, I think.
Well, most people don't do this. Like, if I worked the same shift you did. You hear it?
Very quiet today.
You coming, baby?
Yep.
The trail, the wood stops. I thought it did, Yeah, got it.
And now we go to this dirt trail.
Did you see that?
What?
I have it marked with orange paint back there.
Uh-huh. Lo and behold,
Wood.
back to a wood path.
Oh, this beats the hell out of sitting at home doing nothing.
Oh, God.
I feel lost on this side of you. It's still not the side I should be on. Here, initials in it.
I think a lot of couples have came back here and visited. Everywhere you look, people have their
Initials on.
initials carved on trees. Starting to get some sprinkles, but we're staying dry because
The canopy.
we're under tree canopy. Got a mini trail that way,
Oh, goodness.
and we got a bridge coming up this way. Little creek over there.
Oh, there's a big, that ain't a creek, that looks like a river.
Yeah, Sandusky River possibly.
All of a sudden,
We're hearing lots of birds all of a sudden. Okay, we came across a tree like that doesn't end, I think. It goes on forever to the clouds. Check this out. That's big.
look at this
That is
canopy.
cool. Kind of funny, me and Pam were just saying just a second ago that you would think woodpeckers would be all over this place. This looks like woodpecker kingdom. We're saying about how rare they must be, but then we stroll across this. Yeah, if you want to find woodpeckers in this area of Ohio, you would think this is where they'd be. We'll be back here again. Come across another cool tree here. People's names in it. It just goes up and up and up.
You ask me the difficult questions.
The trail's getting thinner and thinner. I like the trails of least walked. We're coming up with the sign here. And now we're going to get ready to go to the Hex Bridge.
I thought you saw me back there.
Yeah. Woo. This way, right? This takes us back to the car, right?
No, this is taking us to the bridge.
Oh, okay. I lived in Wyandotte County 20 years and never knew this existed. Then the last, Bruce Barley. You sound worse than I do some days. I took this out of it. 3. Did he end of the path. I want to read this sign up here.
Definitely woodpeckers. Woodpeckers all over this place. They're on all sorts of trees. We're back on the main path once again. Halfway point and about 0.45 miles to get home to back to the car. And we're coming back to the wood path here. I can't believe we haven't seen a woodpecker at all, but just not in our luck. Back to a wooden path again. Lots of trees. This is so beautiful. This place is definitely would be worth an hour drive to come visit if you're in the Northwest Ohio area. Grab a picnic, bring some bug spray, and take your cameras. This completes our loop of the Howard Collier, whatever trail. Say bye, Pam.
Bye, Pam.